There they go. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mike here, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. And you know, you see the thumbnail pop up, it's modding time, that's right. And whether it be a performance mod or a safety mod, doesn't matter. I got you covered when it comes to mods. Need to check out Fitcamx. I'm just saying, they've cornered the market on dash cams, and it's for safety. I mean, you know, people run red lights, stop signs, then they say, hey, it was you, wasn't me. Got it on video. So let's go ahead and head out to the Lexus Rx350 and get this thing installed. So coming out to the car, we're gonna move the mirror down, and this black plastic housing right here, we're gonna remove that. And they include a neat little pry tool right here. It's got plastic on one end and metal on the other. Use the plastic end. You'll see at the metal end, here's the plastic. And we're gonna use it to help us pop the clips loose. And I'm gonna pop this off just like you see right here and remove the plastic housing. Carefully, we're gonna pop it loose, and this little center section will pop out also. And you just pull it down and remove it from the window. So now once we get that plastic shroud off, the cover off, you're gonna notice a white plug to your right, a black plug to the top left, and a gray plug to the bottom left. That gray plug on the bottom left is the one we're gonna access. We're gonna take it out, and we're gonna put our wiring harness piece in there. Right there is going in there. The gray plug is going in here, and then this is going to our cam and our housing. When you turn the mirror sideways, you can get your hand up in here, disconnect that right there. We're gonna go ahead and connect it to this. Here, clip in, and now we're going to connect the white one to where the gray one was. Just like that. Now there, we'll go to our housing, our new housing with the dash cam. This will make the last connection that we'll need right there. Now to transfer over to the new dash cam housing, you're just gonna remove these off of here. You can use your tool actually, and we'll take that and remove those and install them on our new housing right here. So you can really just take your fingers, pull up and pull these off. And once you've got them off, you just transfer them over to the new housing. You just slide them on and you'll hear them click into place. I do want to show you, there's the cam. We'll take that off when we finish the install. Look on the corner right there. There's your SD card. And that's what's gonna keep your footage and constantly keep everything rolling, keep everything stored on that card. And you can take that out and put it on your computer if you need to review footage that way. So we're going to mount the camera and the housing, but before you do that, you've got to plug this in, and it's got little pins. It does have a track, a little guide, and you want to line that up with this guide right here, and you want to push it in there. You don't want to force it if this is not lined up, or you'll damage the pins. So you want to make sure that's in there correctly. We can hide all our wire. All right, so once we get it up in there, those wires are going to push through here, but that's why you leave that center piece off until we get it on, and then you're going to push back up. Now that it's pushed back up, you're going to push up here. All right, so once you get that mounted up on there, your wires, you got to just keep pushing and push them up in there because you've added more wire to that, so it's gonna be a little bulky. But we're gonna take our centerpiece and that just clips in right there. Just wanna show you guys, this thing looks factory, but yet custom. Heck yeah. Check it out. So that's the old housing, and right there is another wiring harness that they give you in case you have a different one than what I had. They send this. This is pretty cool. That's a USB-C, USB-A, and what is neat right here, you take your memory card and put in the side of it, the SD card, and you put this in your laptop or your PC or your Mac, and you can review the footage, pull it straight up on your computer in the house. Very important part. This company thinks of everything. Awesome. Okay, so next you're going to get your phone and you're going to download the Fitcamx app, and you're going to follow the on-screen instructions. Now it's going to tell you to, once you've installed the camera, you're going to power it on by starting the vehicle. So I'm going to start, and we're going to look right up here, and you'll notice it's going into the power on or the pair mode. So yep. Now I'm going to go back to my phone, hit next. All right, so it says here, enter the default password for the Wi-Fi, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I'm gonna come back up on my phone, click this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and connect. Successful. All right, we are connected. Now we're gonna go back in, and it's gonna connect camera. It is successful. Look at that, straight down my driveway, guys. Pretty cool on my phone, but we want to, now it's saying to format the SD card. Okay. Now it's saying go to camera settings. And now we're going to format. Formatting will erase all data on the camera storage. Please confirm yes. So I'm wanting to format successful. All right, so we are up and running. The cam is functional. Check it out. Tells you it's recording right there. Fitcamx is 4K Ultra HD, built-in Wi-Fi, has looping. That means you don't have to start and stop it every time you get in the car. No, it continuously loops and records. It has collision detection. That's right. You're in an accident, even if the car's sitting still, somebody hits your car, it comes on and starts recording. It's an OEM style. That's right, that housing, everything, it looks factory fit and finish. You can't go wrong. This is not a generic cam. You order yours for your vehicle and you'll never even know it's there. And the thieves that look to break in, they don't even know it's there either. That's gonna do it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the install of the Fitcamx. Cannot beat it. Their quality is top notch, and you need to click that link in the description below. Order yours up today. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Later now. Fitcamx.